shiner there. It's been a fight. All solid concrete that. 2.5 hours later, what we think is someone's crashed into this post before, dug this massive hole, put a big plate on bottom. They've extended posts as a weld line.
1.5 deep that concrete.
Yeah, I think we could do with a longer reach breaker, definitely. It looks like we've done no, because there's only 4 posts. There's a big combo gates all in up at Hyde Park School. Some flush.
Morning. Bad start. We've had a break-in. I've broken into Carl's sort of shed, nicked his power tools and smashed lock off. Because you can't have out, can you? Excuse my French. We'll probably find out who they are. They're definitely local off this estate here, so we'll find you. There's about 3 cube we think to go in there. Doing it this morning, it's all solid. We thought we're all sound, and we've had a bit of a blowout. Look, absolute nightmare. We've just fixed it now. Hopefully, we've got most of it back with straps, but literally all that just gave way with concrete chuck were here, and it all just come out. We're nearly there. So I don't even think we've got enough concrete now. We might have to call them back.
Jacob's mum and dad's watching this. You'll see now all that practicing, them long showers and time alone in his room, all paying off.
Well, we're having a bit of a nightmare locating this ducting. It's a blue one, it should be black. So we're thinking that's water, and we're pretty certain that that's our ducting. There's some Doyle and put a blue water main in. We're fun and games, but I warn them about this because whoever's done this is a Doyle. So when they call, you know, it's not water even though it says water on it.
Who was the valiant hero who dared to drill the pipe?
Carl was, but,
was that me?
but I made the call. That definitely says water there. Right, we've been searching everywhere, so we thought it was a water main. Electric's inside it.